How to get Shopify themes for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Shopify themes absolutely for free for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing the regions where we can get Shopify themes for ourselves, okay? So Shopify themes are pretty easy to get along, okay, and you can get them for free pretty simply. So obviously, first of all, you're going to want to make sure to have a fully accessible account. You're going to make sure to have a proper account that runs fully, okay? So make sure you have all of that. Now, once you have all those things fully set it up to go and fully set it up with running things, Shopify themes in general, let me show you. You're going to come to online store on the left hand side. And once you go to the left hand side store, here we can see that Shopify themes are more expensive than ever. Okay. They can range from, you could say, from like $80 to $300 to maybe even $500. And that's absolutely crazy. Obviously, you do get your free share of the free themes like Dawn, Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft. But the really good themes, look at them, $320. You have $360. Motion is a really good theme, but $360. Are you really ready to go ahead and do that for yourself? I think not. So obviously, these themes are more than expensive, and obviously with the uprising of Shopify, because Shopify keeps going and on and on and on. You keep getting higher demand for Shopify stores because e-commerce is in nowadays. A lot of people are using e-commerce, and it increases the cost of their actual themes, because the demand is high. So what are you going to do for yourself if you want a free theme? Okay. So there's many websites that you can get free themes on. So there's websites like Envato Elements and all. Now, Envato Elements, the reason I'm stating Envato Elements is because Envato Elements gives you all these website themes, okay? And you can also choose things like WordPress and all, or you can just go into this and just search up website. Okay, just search a website. So it's going to give you a website template. Okay. Now, in the website template, it's going to give us all these graphic templates that we get, and they're so terrific. They're actually crazy. So you're going to go into website graphic templates and look at this. Look at all these templates that it gives you. Look at all the themes that it gives you. And you can get any of these for yourself in the easiest way, or you can even go to CMS templates. Okay, CMS templates also gives you a good option to choose from. So these are all CMS templates that you can use on your website pretty easily, pretty simply, and they give you a pretty good idea of how and what you're going to use. Okay, so obviously you're going to go ahead, go through this, scour through this, choose whatever you find best, and obviously make sure that Shopify is on the right side, because if Shopify is off, that will obviously cause an issue. So make sure that Shopify is on the left side, and once Shopify is on, it's going to give you a whole plethora of features. Now, once you see all these features, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go on one of these themes. So let's say I want to go to, let's go with this one. This one looks pretty good. It's a Shopify window-based theme, and it looks really nice. It's a pretty good Shopify store theme. Now, it says you need to subscribe to download. Now, over here, you can also see the actual key features. So responsive design, you get sliders, you get product carousel, option to showcase products. You have customer accounts, the product owl carousel, 5 types of mega menu, IX filters, custom information widget, custom about us, contact page, drag and drop, highly customizable, multi-currency. It's great for search engine optimization, branded checkout, newsletter. You get all the features. So once you get all these features, you're going to click on subscribe to download. And once you click on subscribe to download, obviously it's going to say start now. So it's going to give you a subscription to choose from. Now you can get a 14-day free trial, which you can cancel real quick. So basically you're gonna get a trial for this, okay? And you can see, it says cancel anytime. So get a trial, you're gonna click on continue and all, and it's gonna take you to its editor, okay? So once you're in Envato's editor, you can simply go ahead and access all the editorial sequences of this. Now you can also, even if you want great premium filters, you can just go with any theme that looks, free. So most of these themes are pretty incredible, and you can get a live preview of them as well if you want to go with them. Now, once you download these themes, they're going to give you a short preview file. Now, as you can see, it's going to first give you this: enjoy a free trial of Shopify. Then look at this website. It's absolutely crazy. This theme is out of this world, and it's much less expensive than what Shopify offers you. Shopify will offer you themes for, as I showed you, around $320 to $500, which is crazy to think about. Okay, but you can actually go ahead and get the other recurring themes for yourself, and it gives you a pretty good concept of things. Okay, it gives you a pretty nice concept. So when you actually want to go ahead and download this theme for yourself, let's say I want to download this theme, so you're going to click on subscribe to download. Now what that will do is it will give you an actual theme file. All right, so the theme file that you get, it's actually a zip file. So let me show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and write Shopify theme file. Okay, it's basically a zip file that you're going to upload into the actual Shopify section, and I'm going to show you how you're going to upload it. So you're going to add your theme files into your actual themes, and as you can see, it says the name and everything. You can also add them through code, which is also something that I'll show you, so don't worry about that. So a theme file is actually a zip file. It's going to look somewhat like this. Okay, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like a zip file. And what you're going to do is you're going to upload the theme file zip file in this section. So you're going to click on add theme. You're going to click on upload zip file. And here you're going to add your zip file that's going to look like this, as I showed you. Now, in the case that it doesn't add that, that's probably because the size exceeds what the maximum file size limit is. Okay. So you're going to want to make sure that your maximum file size limit reaches the actual yield of it. Okay. So to reach the actual yield of the size limit, you are going to want to make sure to decompress it. So you can use any, file decompressor. Okay. So there's different file decompressors online. The best is Archive Extractor for me, because you're just going to choose and drop your file. So let's say I have this file right here. So this file should be around a few megabytes. Okay. So let's say it's 70.5 kilobytes. I'm going to open this up over here. Okay. It's going to upload it. Now I'm going to save the zip file. Now, once you save this zip file, obviously it's going to be decompressed to even less. So that's how you can decompress it. Now, once you decompress it, what you're simply going to do from here is just add it to your Shopify store, and it's going to get added. And then you can start actually messing around with your theme. So basically, if I, let's say, duplicate this, let's call this our website that we bought from here. Okay. So once we get this website, we're going to come here, and you can actually start customizing it by clicking on customize. You're going to go into the actual customizer where you can start adding these things. So just click on customize, go ahead and customize it if you want, but I don't think you really need to customize it, because Envato gives you the best amount of effects that you can get, the best amount of themes that you can get, and trust me, you don't need anything more. So yeah, that's basically the idea of adding a free premium Shopify theme. So if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.